Hi lovely people, together with me Dimas Yunani at Kadut Aten channel. Today I will show you how to cook salmon bake with tzatziki sauce. What I need is 350-gram salmon fileto. For tzatziki sauce I need yogurt 100-gram. I need also vinegar wine 1 teaspoon, black pepper, salt, oregano, cucumber for tzatziki sauce. Later on I will grate it, lemon, sweet pepper, carrot and garlic. Exactly garlic for tzatziki sauce. Let's go cook. Alright, lovely people. First, we give olive oil inside Pyrex. After, we put lemon like this. Lovely. And salmon here, right? Okay, salmon ready. Salt, right? Enough. Black pepper, lovely. Oregano, lovely. I give more oregano, alright. Lemon squeeze, slowly, alright. Lovely. Put carrot together with salmon, right? For the last minute we will put sweet pepper, but maybe after 40 minutes we put inside in the oven. Okay, now people, now we make tzatziki sauce, yogurt, we put all, okay, we mix together with cucumber already hydrated and wine vinegar. Okay, salt, right. The tzatziki sauce already done. Easy, right? Salmon bake with tzatziki sauce. You put inside oven with 180 degree till 45 minutes. Let's go cook. Alright, lovely people, salmon bake with tzatziki sauce I put inside already in the oven. We use air 180 degree. We bake till 45 minutes. Okay, lovely people, after 14 minutes we put for the last time, I tell you before, the sweet pepper. lovely people, garlic we put inside together with yogurt and cucumber grated, like this only. Lovely. This is enough, and we mix it. Smell is lovely. Alright, lovely people, for the last time, sweet peppery. It's done. Alright, lovely people, you can see the salmon bake ready. Now time to serve. Alright, lovely people, Tzatziki sauce, smell, lovely. Put on the top salmon bake, lovely. Right. So beautiful. Lovely people, don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. See you with another video and new recipe. You can see, so beautiful.